Thank you. Every day, people use a variety of integrated circuits in their electronic devices, cell phones, laptops, wearables. The design and manufacture of these devices are complicated. Most often, they require several electronic components, integrated circuits, or we call them ICs, that are put into a tiny form factor, as well as developing the software that goes with it. Now, getting everything to work together requires several iterations in the design process, which translates to the cost of the final product. Customers, like us, are always keen to have product with the newest technology without costing a ton. This forces the manufacturer to design these ICs as fast and as cheap as possible. To do that, the manufacturer has to reduce the number of design iterations and, and produce as many good parts as possible. The IC life cycle begins with design simulations, physical prototyping, a lot of validations to prove the ICs are working before mass production. Each step costs time and money, and on top of all that, all the development has to be done in the newest technology to be ahead of competition. Now, designing the ICs with the newest technology has a lot of uncertainties. So my dissertation explores a way to predict the behavior and manufacturing yield of the ICs well before they are manufactured in high volume. So now, why the yield is so important? Because when the yield is low, the factory throws away most of the units it produces, which means the cost of the manufacturing is higher, and now we customers have to pay a higher price for each good unit. In my research, I break down the design prototype into small building blocks. The most difficult part is identifying the right building blocks and constructing a model to predict the yield of the ICs before they are manufactured. Using statistical methods, I developed a way to identify the building blocks, which I then use to reject the IC designs which will have low yield very early in the IC life cycle. This enables the IC design to be optimized with fewer number of design iterations, and therefore manufacture the ICs fast and cheap. Thank you.